Hello Year 10, or should I now say Year 11? I hope you and your families are keeping well and safe. I am happy to say that I will continue to be your year leader going into Year 11, and I really look forward to working with you all again and also embracing this new challenge for myself. Speaking of challenges, I know the transition into Year 11 has been difficult for you all, especially in the circumstances we are all in currently. I want to reinforce what Mr. Cutty said in his video, that we are all one email away. So if you do find yourself becoming overwhelmed and need somebody to talk to, please do not hesitate to contact us. Every Monday, your Lesson A tutor has been sending out an email to you all. It is important that you are replying back. That way we can keep in touch with you, but also support and know what is working well for you during lockdown as well. So it's really important that you are replying back to your Lesson A tutor within that week. Also, at the start of the week, if you could check your Gmails and your Show My Homework, that would be very beneficial. That way you'll be able to plan out your work through the week and also create a timetable for yourself, which works for you. If you are struggling to create a timetable, please refer back to Mr. Gill's email where he set out a mock timetable. It's important that you are setting small, realistic goals for yourself, not only just for schoolwork, but at home as well. I have found that that has been beneficial for myself, having small, realistic goals that I can work with. Again, any concerns regarding your Show My Homework, please communicate with your teachers or myself. Our priority is your well-being and making sure that you are safe and healthy. It is really important that you continue to communicate with us and that we can all work together. I really look forward to seeing you all soon, and I hope that you all continue to stay safe and healthy and happy. Please do, again, communicate with me and let me know if there's any concerns that you have. Take care, Year 11.